So today we are making instant oats pizza with homemade pizza sauce, which will be gluten-free, very delicious and so easy to prepare. Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making a very delicious instant and gluten-free oats and quinoa pizza, which will have no yeast and can be easily made in an instant. We will also prepare a homemade pizza sauce, which will be full of flavor and perfectly spiced for this pizza. This pizza will be prepared on a pan over the stove top. So now we also do not need any oven for this. Instant crust, homemade quick pizza sauce, roasted vegetables and lots of cheese. So let's get started. To make the pizza, we need 3 cups of oats flour, which will be powdered at home using instant oats. 1 cup of quinoa flour, which is full of proteins and is store-bought. Some salt, some baking powder, white or brown sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of boiling water and then some more if needed. The hot water will hasten the process of dough making. Knead the dough well till it comes together like a mass. In case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Knead the dough lightly and cover it with a cloth for 5 minutes. As the dough is resting, let's make the pizza sauce. To make the sauce, we take olive oil in a pan, add 2 to 3 bay leaves, some finely chopped garlic, some crushed paprika, dried herbs like oregano or basil, and giving it a stir till all the flavors are released in the oil. Then we add 1 cup of strained tomatoes, which can be made fresh by boiling tomatoes and de-seeding, peeling and crushing them into small bits, some brown sugar to balance the flavor and some salt. Giving it a stir and cooking the sauce lightly in these spices. Keep aside to cool. Alternatively, you could also use the store-bought pizza sauce if you wish to. Then we make the pizza topping. To make the topping, we add the vegetables of your choice. Here I am using chopped onions, bell pepper and broccoli florets. Then we take a pan and add some olive oil and top it with some garlic. Add the chopped vegetables, giving it a stir so that it cooks lightly. Then we remove it from the pan and keep aside. Now as the topping is ready, let's check the dough. This dough is magical and it comes together immediately. Knead the dough lightly and divide the dough into 4 parts. We can make 4 8-inch pizza with this dough. Now roll the dough, placing the pizza on the parchment. To make the pizza base more crispy, we are going to use cornmeal or masa harina. You could use semolina if you do not wish the gluten-free version. Roll the dough and place it on a preheated cast iron skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the base is cooked lightly. Cover it with a lid so that the heat is retained. Then we top it with the prepared pizza sauce around 2 to 3 tablespoons and spread it evenly. Then we add some mozzarella cheese to make it all cheesy and delicious and top it with the prepared veggies, along with extra olives if you wish to. Cover and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes at low heat till the crust is golden and the cheese melts. This pizza can also be made in the oven if you wish to make all the pizzas at one go in a large oven. So here you have a gluten-free, fairly instant pizza in a pan. Serve the pizza straight from the pan, topped with some olive oil, basil, oregano and paprika. Enjoy the pizza on special dinner dates or make it on movie nights. These are definitely better and faster than your takeout meals. Homemade, delicious, healthy and fairly instant. Slice these to share with friends or enjoy these whole because these are gluten-free and are totally made from scratch. Nothing is more comforting than a slice of homemade pizza which can be customized to suit your taste and health. The warm melted cheese with crunchy vegetables over crispy pizza base is so delicious and satisfying. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.